Hey guys, Misha here. We are due our monthly reviews. Intel plug is trying to bounce. You can say it's in a balance now. Roku, no volume. Yuan, this guy collapsed. This volume is alarming. However, it did break the T1 level. So it's kind of useless, but let's keep it here. I think it's all right. This level though. Did you hear that? The neighborhood is getting crazy. Well, 4th of July is coming up. I think that's why. Yeah, this is now officially broke. Still in the trade. I think it's good. We'll know soon. Same deal as CVS. I'm up to my elbow. I'm up to my eyeballs in CVS. I think I gotta move. Yeah, this is like too ambitious. Day level is still fine. I'll sleep on it. Pfizer completed up thrust. It's now officially in a balance. This is good. This is good. Look at this. Like initiative takeover. Was it all like deep pulls, dark pulls? Or how did this happen? Look at this volume. No spread. This volume, absolutely no spread. I would expect this bar to have this volume and this bar to have this volume. Or rather this bar and says like, hey, initiative takeover. But now I don't even know. Yeah, this model didn't go. Oh, it's the Heinz I'm looking at. Yeah, I think it wants to go closer to 0.5. I think that's what it does. This guy has a good volume. Once again, bearish, bearish. Look at this volume now. Absolutely the biggest volume. Monthly though. I'll keep on watching. This is perfect. Why do I even measure it like this? This makes no sense. Like an exhaustion. Yeah. Also, don't get too excited. This volume is like... The monthly is good, but I meant the daily volume. It's all, yeah. Last day of the month. This Novatek guy. Finally. Tries to break out of... It's in a balance. The volume is great though. It's kind of alarming. You don't want the volume. It doesn't look like strength. Yeah. And this doesn't look like correction. Volume is great though. Okay. McDonald's is going deep underground. Oh. Wait. Why did I... Huh. Weird. Regardless, it doesn't matter now. Yeah, it was more like this. But then the direction change didn't confirm. So yeah. It's more like this, so this level might have never existed. Doesn't matter now. Comcast. Starbucks. Let's focus on monthly levels for today. For tonight. Tonight is the night. Yeah, it's so close. Volume is not critical. There is a splash of volume, but not bad. It's dollar. It's yuan. Look at this. Once again, it's not a correction. That's not how correction works. Oh, I should just remove. This is broke too now. That's why we didn't touch this one in the first place. MOEX in Moscow exchange. Just recently sanctioned and banned from trading United States dollar. I don't know really how like the sanction are supposed to work. It looks like that United States government does everything for Russia to flourish. Everything they do is just seems like it's targeted to restore the sovereignty of Russian economy. This is just amazing. Um, and this is official correction now. Yeah, this range is not real anyways. Okay, the ACM that I just noticed today that this was not a level. I had like wrong charging on this one. This again too is not a real range. You can't work with such range. It's not workable. So yeah. After I went above here, I think that would be fair to look at it like this. That is where we are at right now. Anyhow, we don't need this at all. Yeah, something like this. Ooh. Okay, so that was 1 bar rule. Yeah, the bar level is broke now officially. This is going down. I remember this Toronto Dominion Bank. I think I got my 2R on it a couple months ago. And then almost got in a trap. But didn't enter the trade last minute, which saved me. Costco. Why are we? There is no volume. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Why is it not even on my watch list? Anyone knows? Weird. Why is it not on my list? It looks good. So it was doing something super weird here called multiple bar manipulation. So unless like on an inferior time frame, I wouldn't be able to enter it on daily, no volumes at all. But then boom, so it gives this volume. It breaks above and gives this volume. But now it didn't hold this level. But broke above. Yeah. Doesn't look much trustworthy. I was about to say trustworthy. What's that? Oh, interesting. Yeah, let's put it on a daily watch. I mean, it's in the right place on monthly. Volume distribution is not right though. That's true. This volume distribution is not indicative of any change. This is good. It's now broke the level. What is Broadcom? That's something. Or at least it sounds like it's something. I don't know. Maybe it's nothing, just Broadcom. That sounds ambitious. Volume distribution is not bad. It dies out slowly. And here, push, bigger push, an even bigger push. So vice versa, so it's reverse volume distribution, which many times signifies an exhaustion. You see the spread here and you see the tail here, so you got to be careful about that. Other than that, you can trade it from yeah, let's put it on daily, but I'll be very cautious about this tail. And where's the volume on daily? Whoops, it's all here. Yeah, now I think this train is going down. Look at this volume. Last time we had it here, so if you duck under this volume, I think that's gonna be nighty night for Broadcom. It bounced from 0.5. It bounced from here. Yeah, something like this. That's very weird what's going on. Oh, AI. So, was hyping. Was hyping. It did protect this level. Look, up thrusted it with the splash of volume. Okay, 1 bar rule. Forget about this level. So this level holds, and this level holds. Be my... Oh, it actually bounced. Look at this. It formed this level. Yeah. It just looks like it wants to die. Interesting. This is a test level. Actually. This is gone. Like it never existed. 1 bar rule. Yeah. Yum. Yum. Cabot. Cabot Corporation. Is it me or it just sounds like Cabbage Corporation? Yeah, this volume is weird. This volume is weird. And then more volume and it didn't go nowhere. Sign of reversal, correction. Yes. Shorting of thrust, they also call it. And this is weird. It's a sad situation. And it's getting more and more absurd. Oh, that's the bunch of the stocks that Casey wrote me recently. Gosh, I forgot to reply him. Casey, if you're watching it, sorry, bro. I forgot to answer you. But I'm in the receipt of your message. Just shoot me your stocks. I mean, you know the drill. Costco is Costcoing. It's doing its thing. It held the level. Look at this. Haha. Interesting. Salesforce is definitely. Ooh. That was Casey's setup. Hopefully never worked. Ooh. I missed something yummy. I missed something yummy. Hey, wait. Where are you? Okay. Where are you now? Yeah. I missed this yumminess. Here. Here, yes. That was an entry point. Ay, ay, ay. I missed this yumminess on the Salesforce, being scared away by the volume. However, should have reasoned in the fact that there was an absolute exhaustion volume here. And then another spring I needed a test, but it didn't give us a test. But maybe something on our yeah. Definitely exhausted there. It was weird, but doable. now. Still tradable. Still tradable. Do you want to put it on daily watch? Yeah, I was fooled by the monthly volume. Should have checked out daily, because look, it's very similar to what we have on target right now. Like monthly looks gloomy, but look at this. Just absolutely extraordinary volume. Oh, I'm sorry. And I missed it. And I miss you like a desert miss the rain. This thing didn't go. Went lower on test. That's weird. It's kind of high up there. It looks like it wants to go to 0.5, huh? Don't you think? No exhaustion volume. Let's put it on monthly watch. Right? We have options. Dow Jones. Well, technically it broke this level, but I wouldn't trust it much. And volume distribution is not great. Yeah. I would be very conservative. And that was a test level too. TLR. Bigger volume. It's weird. Oof. Look what this DTM thing does. Went to the skies. There's actually good volume distribution here. It's so tight though. It's like so tight, but it did. That's a balance. It's broke down. But yeah, technically volume here. Try to hold the 0.5 level, the spring, but then test. Yeah, but the volume distribution, yeah, was not right. There was no volume on this spring. Then here, I think this is the next stop. Well, let's keep an eye. It's a weird stock though. Why do you have a collection of such weird stocks? I think that was I was adding while checking out other people's setups. That's what I think it is. This level is gone now. Also this, I mean, it's not workable, so anyway. So it doesn't have to be thin. Wait. That was the wrong level here. Yeah. My bad. My bad. That's what it is. Yeah, it just cripples higher. Same deal. This is not workable. I don't like the stocks anyways. This level, you can forget about it. This is correction volume. Oh, and look, it actually held. Whoa, this is nuts. This is nuts. It came here. Oh, look at this. Spring test resumption. That was a trade. Isn't it sick? Huh. I know. Yeah, no. So this is a no. Okay. So this is bearish and this is bearish too. Yeah, you got to be careful with those, but I mean, look at this volume. Forget about this. This volume still holds 0.5. FedEx. That's just a massacre. I don't want to look at it. I don't want to look at it. You know, some things, they look overextended. They do look overextended. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. The volume. Yeah, the volume is not right. So, like, schematically, it's a test level. Realistically, there's something not quite right about the volume. It's here, though. It's here, and then it's here. Last day of the month. I'd leave it alone. I'd leave it alone. I have weird, not JP Morgan, of course. Is it a spring test? Yes, never existed. I bet this was. It was. Is this still the level? Dr. Pepper. I was struggling with it. And Coca-Cola. Why they're so close in their tickers? Um, Lockheed Martin. It went up eventually. Why did I? Oh, right. Ooh. Just grinds higher. Okay, we got to M. Let's just pause there. I'm getting tired. Look, it corrected the level. The level. It's interesting. One bar rule. Forget about this level. Yeah, I think it's like this. It's like this. After this volume, you can just reverse it. Forget about this level. So what we have here is this. Huh. It held the test level. Can you believe it? Market has no rules. Oh, that's so loud. It looked like an exhaustion volume here and then pew, it just went up higher. Just went up higher. Huh. Up thrust with this volume. Yeah, that can be good. Well, it can be anything, but it doesn't look good for all of us who trade long. Forget about this test level. Look at this volume. Be-boom. Be-boom. This is not very promising. Oh, and everything I say is not a financial advice. Just my personal opinion on how things are on the market. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people. Trade on your own responsibly and at your own discretion. I don't know why I continue this mantra all the time. I think I have to do it for legal purpose, even though I don't care. But everyone does it, so, and so do I. Hmm. Well, volume though. Is it getting close to 0.5? Ooh, actually broke down. Forget about these volumes. Forget about these volumes. You can put it on a daily watch. These volumes are weird, but all in all, correction is not bad. And we were talking about 0.5, not the bar level. Pepsi. Like Lockheed Martin, right? Should have gone, but didn't. Procter & Gamble officially uh, in the long impulse now. Congratulations, all Procter & Gamble lovers out there. I mean the stock, not their. They do have sweets, right? Procter & Gamble. They have some sweets. I remember they were big in 90s in Russia, when only like it opened itself for Western products. Procter & Gamble was seen on TV for commercials a lot. Oh, it's interesting. Yeah, this overlaps, so forget about it. It doesn't look good. Okay, now it's broke officially. Phillips 66 goes down officially. That's the first sign of reversal of the trend. We yet need a confirmation when it goes booms. Forms T2. We'll see. Qualcomm 1 bar rule. So forget about this guy. So this is our sign of strength now. Sign of strength level. Yeah. That's what we are talking. Q's 1 bar rule. That's still our sign of strength level. I don't know exactly what to do when. Oh, and that's a Tesla. Oh, look at this. Perfect. Okay, so that's our test. I'm not sure how to evaluate when, like on test, on correction, there's a bigger volume and then it goes up. But it's maybe normal because like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months up, 1 month down. So in 1 month down, cumulatively, this 5 is way bigger than this one. So 1 bar rule. What is this? What just happened? Oh, I covered the trend line and then inserted it into a text field. Because when you copy the trend line, if you try to insert it to any like WYSIWYG editor, it will say trend line. That's funny. Yeah, that's where we are. Oh, and it's also a test level. That's where we are now. Alright. Rio. Well, technically, no. no, practically, yeah, it's springed here. Oh, look at this. It's springed and went up. RSP. Ooh. So now this potential is up to 0.5. We don't play short though. We will have to start doing that. I think once the next correction recession will start. I think slowly I have like one real stop loss rule, and when you short you have to have real, so you can't do like stop limits on your stop losses. You have to do like the real ones, which will mean, oh look, this this bar level held, which means that I'll have to I'll start shorting just like one real stop loss a month. If I hit a stop, it means I cannot short for this month anymore. That's the rule I've created for myself. Because of my personal statistics. I'm yet to grow into profitable trade with a real stop losses, which of course gives you way more opportunity to enter the market, because with the stop limits, so-called virtual stop losses, I can only trade at the good monthly levels. Which is not a bad habit. However, sometimes you can see a situation on the market which is not at the monthly level, but like looks good, looks by the book. I want to be able to take it. It just goes slower. It's right in this volume level right now. Okay. Oops. Never mind this. We're about above the all-time highs, this volume level, this like scary tail. Yeah. We're above all that. Boom. It's officially in a long impulse now. At historical levels. What is this? Okay. Union Pacific goes lower. UPS in 0.5. Oof. Yeah. Let's leave it alone. Let's leave it alone. This is getting there. Whatever it is. Sprott uranium. It's very political. Extremely political. Boom, boom. Bigger. Look at this volume. It just grinds lower. One bar rule. Let's forget about this guy. Correction. See, it's habitual, multiple months impulse and then 1 month correction with a bigger volume. It's not something habitual for the crypto market necessarily, where I've learned to trade. But it's pretty I can already say tell habitual for American stock market. So noted. We are learning. Yeah, this diapason was not workable anyway. Yeah, yeah. Interesting. One bar rule. It's also like, forget about this level. Like, I mean, it's not real. Is it real? Real, real. Da, da, da. Yeah. Support level. Something. Yeah. Yeah, something like this. Okay. Ooh. One bar level. Yeah. Think, yeah. No. I think we should check this level as well. It's not necessarily by the book, but I think that might be the level. It did go all the way up. The communication services. Okay, let's see what it does. Up there. To bar rule. Okay. Why did I not move? No, yeah. One, two, yeah. Yeah, that's legitimate impulse. Also trading in continuation of the trend. Only possible with stop loss. Again, that shouldn't be. It's a regular level. Okay. That's it. That's it for today. We'll revise on Sunday our daily watch. Ooh. Look at this guy. Look what it does to us. It just teases us. Oosh. Right. Okay. Okay. We'll talk about it on Sunday. We did our month.